Hey there, Julian from MemberStack here, and welcome to episode 2 of our series where we're building a social media using no-code tools. So what we've done now is we have built the start of the front end, and the first thing that I want to talk about here is the process of actually building this, and that is totally dependent on who's building it the way that you like to go. And one thing that is kind of controversial in the Webflow community is designing in Webflow, not going into Figma first. And my thoughts on that are as follows. I have worked in agencies where we're building very unique, very custom marketing websites for clients. And in that case, going into Figma first allows you to get super creative, not be bound by the limits of development, and really just try to get something unique. But in this case, that is not the goal. We just need something that is functional, is user-friendly, and looks good enough. So with that being said, the first step was to go into Webflow and just build out the main stuff using the plan that we saw in the last video. I'm just going to bring that up right now. So here's the plan that we have laid out. As you can see, we have a welcome screen, we have login, we have sign up, we have a feed, we have search, we have new post, we have DMs, we have my profile, and we have edit profile. So what we built out are the welcome screen, the login, the sign up, the feed, the individual post, the individual profile, and that is, I believe, about it. So let's take a look at that right now. Here we are in Webflow, and we can see here that we have this screen, and this is the home page. So on the domain, this is going to be just the base page, and it's where people are going to be sent if they're not signed in. So then they have these two options, and everything is linked to create an account or log in. So now let's go ahead and go to our sign up page. So as we can see here, standard sign up page with Google Auth, and the login page is super similar, of course, just to log in instead of to create an account. So what's going to happen after that is people are going to be sent to this complete profile page. And this is something that was not foreseen in the planning, but what we want to do here is create their profile right off the bat. It makes things a bit easier from my experience rather than having them go through and do it after. So immediately they're going to be sent here where they're going to add their name, bio, and profile picture. And after that, it's going to take them to the feed. So here we can see how this feed looks. And right now there's nothing for liking because we're going to get to that UI with JetBoost. I think the best thing to do when you have this flexibility is to build the UI to match whatever it is that you're using. So rather than trying to build something and then engineer JetBoost into it, we're just going to do it right off the bat with JetBoost in mind. So we'll see that in one of the next videos. And within this, you're going to be able to click the post and get taken to the individual post page, as we can see here. And this has MemberStack commenting built in. We just copied this UI here from the standard client first clonable for MemberStack comments. And of course, you can also view the profile of the person who created it. And that is how this looks right over here. There we go. All right. So this is the profile right here. It shows their bio. It shows their post. You're going to click it and get taken to the individual post. So I think other than that, all we have is the edit profile page where, of course, you're going to be able to go ahead and edit your profile. We have the nav built in, similar format to Twitter, and when you go on mobile, as you can see, it goes to the bottom here. Now, there's a bit of an issue with the amount of stuff in this nav, and that is something that I'm going to need to fix. But as you'll see throughout this entire project, things will change consistently. As we're building, as we're seeing new requirements, we're going to be tweaking things throughout. So now that we have our base here, the next step is to go ahead and add MemberStack into it. Just the basic stuff. Make the signing in work, make the signing up work, make the members work. And then after that, we have a pretty good position to get into the post creation. So that's what we're going to do. I'll see you in the next video and have a great day.